Question 9, we are told to use a substitution method, integrate that. So what we're going to do in this case is very straightforward. Let's make this, then get your du, dx, that'll be 2x. If you look at our du now, dx, it has nothing similar here, okay, unlike before. So there'll be, unlike before, where we have some similarity that they will equate each other, or they will cancel out. So what we are going to do in this case is to come back here and make s squared the subject. So we're going to have u minus 4. Let's go back to the question. So we're going to have, so we have one of that in this place. So I'm going to split this one into two parts. I'm going to make it u squared, making u4 times one of that with this dx all over. This one is u. So I'm going to change everything to u. So that will be equal to, this one will be equal to what? S squared. We have expression for that. That's u minus 4 for x squared. This one here, x squared is u minus 4. Okay, you square that. And then this one, x dx, from here, we can make that one the subject, and then we have the u over 2 equal to what? X dx. So this place will be what? The u over 2 all over what? All over u. So we have totally changed the variable. So what we're going to do now, this is going to be what? These two can be outside the integral. So we have this, and then you can expand this one, and that will be u squared minus this one times this one. That's 4u times 2. That's 8u, and then plus 4 squared. That's 16. All over what? All over u du. So then the next thing to do now is to allow this u to divide each of these items, each of the numerator. So we're going to have this one over this one, that's u, minus 8u over u, that's 8, and then plus 16 over u du. So that's what we have. We can quickly integrate this, and that will be equal to, then we can now begin. Don't forget that integral of difference or sum of function is going to be integral of each of those functions. So integral of u is going to give me u squared. Don't forget that this one is having power 1. So plus 1. That's 2 over 2. Integral of 8 du is going to give me minus 8u. Then this 16, you can, this one is the same as, you can take the 16 out, and that 1 over u. So if you integrate this one, it's going to give you ln plus 16 ln u. So that's what we have, and that's that. It's as simple as ABC. So the next thing to do now is to begin to plug in the u. We now have 1 over 2 into brackets. U is what? That's 1 over 2 into brackets x squared plus 4 square, that's u, then minus 8 into brackets square plus x squared plus 4, then plus 16 and then u. Put your u there in that case. So finally, you can allow the fraction here to come in, and then plus the constant of integration, and that's end that question. So I want to appreciate everyone for watching this channel. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe, at this point I would say please click on the watermarks on the video and do so. And don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your platforms. Thank you for doing that.